Hello everyone, watch this review here where they look at Beastman from the Masters of the Universe Classics line. His little title here is Savage Henchman. Really enjoy those monikers. Now I missed him during the original release and I think he had a previous re-release, but I picked him up on the most recent of the Matty Collector re-releases, but for whatever reason he just got a plain white mailer. I'm not sure what's up with that. But the back of the box, they have a little read-up. And if you wait a second, you can see him out of package. And here we have Beastman out of pack in all of his bestial goodness. Always really like the design for Beastman. He's a pretty neat looking character. Interestingly enough, he has an incredibly short loincloth. Well, at least when compared to some of the other ones I own. Who likes short loincloths? Do. Yeah, I don't think anybody really likes short loincloths. But for a quick comparison, let's bring in King Grayskull. I don't have a huge Masters of the Universe collection, as you'll probably realize. And, you know, he's just a shorter character, which is kind of surprising. I was looking at him in box, I was thinking, he's kind of small for a Masters figure, but you know, I guess it actually is the case, and it's also tossed in Chief Carnivus because he's also rocking the whole beast look. And now you're looking at about half of my Masters of the Universe collection. The only ones not here are Catra and Battle Cat. So yeah, I have a lot of furry Masters figures. But jumping back onto Beastman, the subject of our review here, you'll notice that you know, there are lots of little add-on pieces and stuff here where you've got the cloth toss-on or fur toss-on. And these things, the arm straps, band things here, also separate pieces. But I mean, that's kind of how they do it with this line. Just sort of an homage to the original line where they used cheap little accessories and stuff like that instead of sculpting out new portions, as I remember. Very, very neat looking figure, though. Now, I guess in terms of articulation, we have a point of rotation here at the wrist, single joint at the elbow, rotating bicep, which is surprisingly not impeded by the shoulder pad or the upper cloth thing. Head has a huge upward motion, which is really surprising. And I imagine you can probably pop the head off fairly easily if you do want to take off this part for whatever reason. But I don't. I do not. Ab/diaphragm joint. Rotation at waist. You know, standard leg where you have the little ball here and then point of rotation, single joint knee, ankle. Then we have the ankle pivot, or ankle rockers. Ankle rockers sounds so silly though. But yeah, definitely a really cool design. You'll notice that it sort of keeps to, you know, kind of basic colors and stuff, or even this medallion's just the same blue as his loincloth, and it's gotta be a kind of weird planet where you have blue animals that you can make your blue loincloths from. Of course, the really kind of weird thing is just the fact that so many of the parts do kind of look similar to this. You know, with the matting and stuff and the arms for the fur. That, I think it's probably just basically the same height, but the difference in, you know, how it's perceived and stuff, it's just the fact that the head is set forward instead of set up. See, it's kind of angled, the neck's angled out like this, as opposed to angled straight up like on Chief Carnivus here. So I mean, as far as I'm aware, the line does kind of use like a lot of standard parts with add-ons and stuff. At any rate, you know, pretty happy to have picked him up. Definitely a neat looking figure. I actually hate saying definitely repeatedly because then it sort of undermines the word. Although, I gotta say, so far my favorite from the line is probably Chief Carnivus, you know, right after Battle Cat, of course, but you can't compare anything to Battle Cat. I mean, come on. So yeah, this has been a look at the Masters of the Universe Classics Beastman. I'm just going to toss in the Superman for no apparent reason, but, you know, till next time, folks.